This is probably one of the coolest alarm clocks I've seen so far. It is the Xiaomi Emoji Alarm Clock, which has some amazing features. Meron siyang pixelated display and can show time in 12 or 24-hour format. And syempre, yung pinaka nakapagpaakit sa akin dito is yung expressions niya. It has 2 alarm settings and para sa mga hirap gumising katulad ko, snooze function. You can choose from 5 different ringtones and control the volume. Yung pinaka na-amaze akong feature niya is that meron siyang nightlight na voice controlled. So, if nagising ka sa gabi, you just have to make a sound para magkailaw. Link in my bio.